Eyeball. The eye is largely divided into the eyeball and ocular appendages. The eye is surrounded by the orbit and is protected from external shocks. The eyeball is spherical, with an average length of 24 mm and a volume of 6.5 cc. The eye is divided into the lens system, which transmits light to receptors, and the nervous system, which transmits light stimulation generated by the receptors to the brain. The eye is made up of 3 layers: outer layer, middle layer, and inner layer, and ocular contents. The transparent cornea, which takes up 1/6 of the front part, and the white sclera, which takes up 5/6 of the back part, are collectively called the outer membrane. The cornea acts as a shield that protects the eye, and refracts light to allow it to reach the retina. The cornea is transparent because it has no blood vessels or nerves. The sclera maintains the shape of the eye and protects it. The layer containing the iris, ciliary body, and choroid is called the media membrane uvea. The media is rich in pigmented vascular tissue and nerves. The iris is located between the cornea and the lens and plays a role in allowing light that passes through the pupil to enter the eye. The iris contains a sphincter pupil muscle and a magnifying pupil muscle that regulates the amount of light entering the eye. The area between the iris and the cornea is called the anterior chamber, and the area between the iris and the front of the lens is called the posterior chamber. The anterior and posterior chambers are filled with aqueous humor. The aqueous humor maintains pressure inside the eye and nourishes the lens and cornea. Aqueous humor and vitreous humor help maintain the shape of the eye. The ciliary body regulates distances by controlling the thickness of the lens and maintains intraocular pressure by producing aqueous humor. The choroid blocks light coming from outside and provides oxygen and nutrients as a passage for blood vessels.